Hello friends, today in this video I'll be teaching you origami tumbling toy. For making this tumbling toy, I'll be using a 6-inch origami sheet. You need to keep white side on the top. Now, our first step is to make a horizontal line. So we'll fold this edge on this edge. Unfold it, rotate the page and repeat the step. So we need to make a horizontal line here also. So we'll fold this edge and on this edge. Unfold it. Now we'll fold this edge on this middle line. Next step is that we need to make a triangle over here. So we will fold this edge on this line. I repeat, we need to fold this edge on this line. We need to repeat the step on the other side. So we need to fold this edge on this line. I repeat, we need to fold this edge on this line. Now we will fold this edge on this line. Crease it sharply. Now rotate the model and we need to fold this edge on this middle line. Rotate the model. Again, repeat the step. We need to fold this edge on the middle line. Unfold both the flaps, and now we need to make a triangle over here also at this point. Okay, so we'll fold this edge on this line. And fold it back again. So we'll make a triangle over here and we'll fold it again like this. Repeat the same step on the other side. We will fold this edge on this line. And we'll fold this flap. Okay, now we need to fold this edge on this edge and crease it sharply. Okay, or else you can just keep this inside your book and just take it out after some 2-3 minutes. Okay, and unfold both these flaps. You will see a U shape over here. Not exactly, but yes, you will see. Now I'll tell you how you can just play with it. So for playing with it, you need to hold it from the colored side. As you can see that this side is colored. Okay, so just hold it from this side and keep it straight over here. Okay, and just leave it. Just hold it from here and just keep it like this and just I hope you all are able to understand. We need to hold it from here and just keep it like this and just leave it. Thank you friends, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.